Hey guys, my name is Thunderstorm Artis, and this is an edition of my song, Young and Dumb. Used to live my life, just casting out the blame, saying no one knows gonna make a change. So why should I wait? Old prophets and preachers would tell me the truth, but I was blinded and blinded by all that I would do. Oh, it's hard to find the truth. But I was young and I was dumb. There were some things in my life that I probably shouldn't have done. And I see the lonely wash the summer sky. I write you a song and I'll sing you a lullaby. His life passed me by. Till life is a game that we all play, but we're all pieces and someday we're all fade away. His time passed me by. But I was young and I was dumb. There were some things in my life that I probably shouldn't have. We're all searching for something to share. Or someone to love and someone to care. But won't you, dear, just say just what you feel? But I know it's hard to find the truth. Oh, mother and father, forgive me for my wrongs, all that I have said and all that I have done. Oh, if I let you down. Well, I was young and I was dumb. Well, I was young and I was dumb. And there were some things in my life that I probably shouldn't have. Thank you. Man, I wrote that song when I was 16 years old, and I was just kind of looking back on my life and my perspectives on a lot of things. How I treated my parents, how I treated people in my life, the decisions that I was making that I thought was just, the best decisions of everything, and thinking that I was like the center of my world. And then I started traveling and figuring out that, man, I'm just a little speck in this whole thing of the world and of life. And I just realized, man, I'm just young and dumb, thinking I know everything. And so that was inspiration behind writing that song. And every time that I used to perform it, I used to improv the lyrics. It was such a special moment. And so it's been years since I've sung it. So now I'm 26, about to have my first kid, and I think I'm still young and dumb, and there's a lot I need to learn.
So what would you say to your fans that are young and dumb and just figuring things out?
I would say, man, don't be afraid to make mistakes, but don't be afraid to own up to your mistakes, because when you do that, only when you acknowledge those things can you grow to the person that you are meant to be. I mean, it's like, if you never realize there's a problem, you can never fix it. Well, I'm about to do a show here in Bend. There's about 200 people outside waiting for me to go out. Super excited about it. But after that, I'll be going to Texas with my good friend Max Clark and a couple dope friends of mine to do some shows out there. And then I'll be on tour with Train and Jack Johnson in the summer into the fall. And I couldn't be more excited about all of it. But I'm here tonight, and we're about to tear the house down. It's going to be a lot of fun. Whoa, turn to the sky.
No.